When you first went to school, how long did it take you to learn the alphabet? Well, today I'm going to share with you the A to Z of business growth. Here we go. A, accountant, get one. B, back up everything. C, charge by the hour. D, deposits, never ever forget them. E, expect to succeed and you will. F, free, just don't do it. G, good customers should be treated like gold. H, handle cash like your life depended on it. I, incorporate. J, just do it. K, kick bad customers out quickly, get rid of them. L, long-term customers are worth 50 short-term jobs. M, minimum price, have one and stick to it. N, niche yourself, be a bit different. O, offices, learn when to shut the door and get some work done. P, price, never knowingly undersell yourself. Q, questions are what good salespeople use. R, regular work time, have it and stick to it. S, sales targets, know what you've got to sell every week, make sure you hit it. T, time is precious and it disappears quickly. Bill for at least 60% of it. U, utilize and embrace your downtime. You deserve it. V, vary your business model. W, word of mouth is the most powerful way to grow your business. Systemize it. X stands for X Factor, a business advisor like me. Y, yellow pages, just don't do it anymore. And Z is zero, because zero is exactly what you get if you do nothing. So there you go, the essential A to Z of business growth. Learn it, use it, embrace it, and your business will fly.